Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. My name is Sophie, and welcome to this very long English lesson for beginners. Today, we are going to learn something very important in English. Today's lesson is Numbers in English from 1 to 100. Numbers are used every day in life. We use numbers to talk about age, money, time, dates, phone numbers, prices, and addresses. So, learning numbers is very important if you want to speak English well. In this lesson, we will learn numbers from 1 to 20, numbers from 20 to 100, pronunciation practice, examples in sentences, conversations using numbers, exercises, and long speaking practice. Take your time, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Let's begin. Numbers from 1 to 10. Listen and repeat. 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 10. Repeat again slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now let's practice in sentences. I have one book. I have 2 friends. I see 3 cars. I have 4 pencils. I eat 5 apples. Excellent. Numbers from 11 to 20. Listen and repeat. 11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18. 19, 19. 20, 20. Repeat again slowly. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Example sentences. I am 20 years old. I have $15. There are 12 students in the classroom. Excellent. Numbers from 21 to 30. Listen carefully. 21, 21. 22, 22. 23, 23. 24, 24. 25, 25. 26, 26. 27, 27. 28, 28. 29, 29. 30, 30. Repeat after me slowly. 21, 22. 23, 24. 25, 26. 27, 28. 29, 30. Very good. Example sentences. I am 21 years old. There are 25 students in the class. I have $20. Numbers from 30 to 40. 30, 30. 31, 31. 32, 32. 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, 40, 40. Repeat slowly. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Very good. Example sentences. He is 30 years old. She has $35. Numbers from 40 to 50. 40, 40, 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, 50, 50. Repeat slowly. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent. Example sentences. The book costs $40. He is 50 years old. Numbers from 50 to 100. 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. Repeat after me. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. Examples. I have $60. There are 70 students in the school. The price is $80. He is 90 years old. The building has 100 rooms. Using numbers for age. Example conversation. Hello. Hello. How old are you? I am 21 years old. Another example. How old is he? He is 30 years old. Very good. Using numbers for phone numbers. Example. What is your phone number? My phone number is 1-877-542-9. Repeat slowly. 1-877-542-9. Very good. Conversation using numbers. Conversation 1. Hello. Hello. How are you? I am fine. How old are you? I am 21 years old. Conversation 2. How many students are in the class? There are 25 students. Conversation 3. How much is this book? It is $20. Excellent. Practice exercise. Say the numbers. 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 100. Answers. 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 100. Very good. Long speaking practice. Repeat slowly. I am 21 years old. My brother is 30 years old. My father is 50 years old. There are 20 students in the class. The book costs $30. The school has 100 students. Excellent. Full example for your video. Hello everyone, my name is Sophie. I am your English teacher. Today we learn numbers in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we learn 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Numbers are very important in English. We use numbers to talk about age, money, time, and prices. Practice numbers every day. Repeat them slowly and clearly. That is the end of today's lesson. Today we learned numbers from 1 to 100 in English. Practice every day, speak English every day, and I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.